We're going to look at the ramp on the Wavelock. During scanning mode, the ramp is attached to the high voltage output which drives the piezo. On the back of the Wavelock, there's one connector for the high voltage output and one more with a scaled down low voltage version. You may view the low voltage version safely with an external oscilloscope. The scan allows us to see the resonances. And now let's configure the ramp. First, I'm going to set the DC bias. As I modify it, the ramp signal is going up in voltage. You can also see the resonance move. Now we're going to change the peak-to-peak voltage. I'm going to set it to 60. We can see multiple peaks.